I keep doing this time and again, replying to some of the comments. So for a very long time I've been wanting to say this, but seriously, if you expect me to reply, at least give you a name. I will not reply to 333059 or something like risk investor, or these kind of names. You don't even want to give your name, but don't expect an answer. So yes, as a compliment I'm willing to take. So somebody called 333059 says money doesn't come into a dirty place, money doesn't come into a cluttered mind, right? Okay, fine, that's great, I'll take it as a compliment, but well, that's a line that I used. So if you see the comments column, you'll see this. Then there is Sonal Shinde saying, Subra sir, conviction speaks for itself. Being invested in not in the company but a group as a whole speaks volumes. But please understand, this conviction did not come overnight. My first investment in HDFC Group was 1980, and to think, oh, if I had just kept all the shares, it would be worth so much is complete hogwash. It's impossible to stay on in an investment unless you've tremendous conviction. Like even in a Colgate, Procter & Gamble, Nestle, Cummins and Siemens, I've been selling, buying, whatever, but I've definitely not held on to everything that I had in 1977, because you don't know when things go right, things go wrong. So you keep buying, you keep selling, you say, okay, now I have money, let me buy more of it, and you say, oh, I think it's gone up too much, let me sell. So you will keep doing all that, and it takes time to build conviction. So 1980 of HDFC, but it took me maybe 15 years to build conviction, saying, wow, this man is a genius. Till then you don't, Reliance, 1977 was the first time I bought. If I had held on to everything, I would have a lot more shares today. But I bought, I've sold, I've then said, oh, this group is bad, this group is good. So it takes time to build conviction. It doesn't happen overnight, and for some people it doesn't happen at all. Murugappa Group, maybe I entered in 1986 or 87 or something like that, and then I've constantly been there and thereabouts. It's perhaps the biggest single group in which I would have invested. So what, 13 plus 22? That is 35 years I've been in that group. But if there are changes in that group, younger people coming with different ideas, I have no clue. I'm not tracking that so closely. But yes, it takes time to build conviction. It can't be, I can't give my conviction and say take it, right? You have to build your conviction. So investing in ITC is not a sin. Yes, I agree. Video markets are now breaking apart. Well, wow. It's probably the best time to declutter and only retain quality stocks. It's always been true. You always should have invested only in quality stocks. So saying now is a good time to be investing in quality stocks doesn't matter. You should always be invested in quality stocks. Very high quality content. Thank you, BRD. Again BRD. Then there is excellent video. Share on other groups. I don't know how much I will share on other groups, but about HDFC I felt I should share. I did it. So this is not some pre-planned. My content is not planned, and I don't even do with a written down script. I just speak extempore. So this is of course easy. So decluttering is a wonderful idea. Yes, it is. You are the best teacher in personal finance. Happy to take all such compliments. Odile Flavia, she says 2022 is a year of reckoning. Every year is a year of reckoning. Only at the end of the year you realize what you should have done, so it doesn't really matter. Something specific videos. My annual income is 6 lakhs and I bought a Nano second hand for 60,000, which means I got a good deal. I know, but the question is, you have to buy a car which suits you, right? So if you're going to travel only 300 meters in a day, or maybe 3 kilometers in a day, Nano is good. But if you're going to drive over 100 kilometers a day over very difficult terrain, Nano is not a good idea, because Nano in the longer run will be far more expensive than a good second hand solid car, right? HDFC is the worst in terms of technology. I don't know, because I've not tried. I've tried only ICICI, and I can say ICICI is superior. Well, Ujjivan is better, say City Union Bank is better, or other banks are better. I really don't know. Will unlisted shares come into the demat account once they are listed? They will not come. They have to be brought. So if you have physical shares, you have to get it dematted. They won't automatically come. Please share your thoughts on other groups. Let me check out. I may or may not do. Dr. Brijendra Chauhan, he's been commenting quite a lot recently. Thank you, Doctor. Yes, thanks for this video. Same. Thank you for watching, and please share it with others, because I don't have any marketing budget. My monthly marketing budget is people who are watching and are happy, sad, whatever, but share it with others. Let other people watch, because I do say something very basics, and very few people are willing to say this. Very many people want to, whether it's videos or anywhere, they don't want to say, look guy, go and get up and do it. They're all very happy blaming SEBI, IRDA, etc. But the most important, the biggest enemy of investing is you yourself, right? So Srinath Damodaran says, I run a separate mutual fund for my own. Mutual fund means I manage other people's money. No, I don't. I only manage my own money. So I run a portfolio, yes. Mutual fund, no. Would request for a series. What is your net worth? Brilliant question. I don't even see any reason why I should answer that, right? Very happy to this series, NPS, resolution, great wisdom in your videos. I'm just reading your book, authored You Can Be Rich Too, which I did with Pattu, and on page 104 you have covered this topic in this video, which is one word which will make you rich, and that is to say no after you've got the basic things that you have in place. Like if you have 5 shirts, why would you buy another shirt somebody is selling to you, right? You need only 5. Finish that 5 and then you can buy a new one. Okay, one is torn, buy one, but at no point in time go and increase the size of your wardrobe. Your wardrobe size has not changed, your number of shirts has increased. So reduce the number of things you have, declutter. Don't ask for a bigger cupboard, right? It's like when your daughter comes and says, Dad, I need a bigger cupboard. It just means one thing: you bought her too many dresses, not that you bought her less cupboard. Anyway, to each person is call. Subscribed, please subscribe, and please ask your friends to subscribe. I've run out of, I've done a lot of answering. I did this activity and great content. Yeah, please write down your investment philosophy statement and share it, because one day your wife will need it when you're not around, or one day your husband will need it when you're not around. Men have to learn cooking and women have to learn investing. Is a basic thing which I've been saying. So go ahead, both have to do these activities jointly. Your husband doesn't know to cook, teach him how to cook. Make him stand with you, tell him where is the salt, where is the sugar, where is the haldi, where is the pyaj. Let him learn to cook. And as a husband, if your wife is not learning, you have no choice but to pull her by the ear and make her learn. If your husband is not learning cooking, very good. One day when you're not there, he'll fast, or he will go and order on Swiggy. How many days can he do it, right? So you have to learn the basics. You cannot say, oh, there is Swiggy, so I will I'll get food, and or to say that, oh, my husband takes care of my investing, withdrawing from the ATM, etc. Everybody should know the basics: how to pay the bills, how to invest, how to withdraw, how money goes into the ATM, how it should be withdrawn. You should know it. Your 12-year-old should know it. Your wife should know it. Your mother should know it. One day, when we are single, we will need these skills. These are basic 4 hours, 3 hours, whatever you want to call it, right? Very relevant question. Is it a penny stock? I think I've handled a lot of questions, and anything beyond this will get boring. Thanks. Bye.